1 Minute Hungarian, Lesson 9.
Welcome to 1 Minute Hungarian. Virág vagyok.
És én Mark vagyok. We're here to teach you Hungarian 1 minute at a time. We are going to spend just around a minute learning Hungarian, and in this lesson, we're learning how to ask people how they're feeling.
The clock is ticking, so let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now.
A very important question in any language is, how are you? It's really useful to be able to make conversation with your Hungarian-speaking friends and colleagues. Listen to the informal way of asking, how are you?
Hogy vagy?
Listen again.
Hogy vagy?
Now, this literally means, how are you? One more time.
Hogy vagy?
Now, there's a formal way of asking this question too. It starts the same way, but the verb changes. Listen to this one.
Hogy van?
Let's listen again.
Hogy van?
Let's hear that one more time, Virág.
Hogy van?
Okay, so much for the question. Let's learn some answers to Hogy, vagy, or Hogy van. To say you're feeling well, thanks, you can say,
Köszönöm, jól vagyok.
let's split this up. We already know how to say thank you.
Köszönöm,
Let's listen to I am well.
jól vagyok.
Now, we already know the word vagyok, meaning I am. You just put well in front of it.
Jól vagyok.
So let's say I'm well, thanks.
Köszönöm, jól vagyok.
Let's hear that one more time.
Köszönöm, jól vagyok.
Now, if you're not feeling good, you can make that negative. And you remember to say negative things, you precede your verb with,
Nem,
let's hear I'm not feeling well, or I'm not good.
nem vagyok jól.
So you'll notice here that the order changes. We say nem, vagyok, jól. Not I am good or well.
Exactly.
Let's hear this phrase one more time.
Nem vagyok jól. Hungarian people like to be honest. If we're not feeling good, we simply say, I'm not well. Nem vagyok jól.
Say I'm not well or I'm not feeling good one more time.
Nem vagyok jól.
Hopefully, however, you'll be feeling fantastic. To say this in Hungarian, you would say,
Nagyon jól vagyok.
what does this mean literally, Virág?
It literally means I'm very well.
Good. So, nagyon jól vagyok.
Nagyon jól vagyok.
Of course, just as in English, there are many ways of saying this, but we'll stick to this one for just now. Try saying I'm feeling great again.
Nagyon jól vagyok.
Okay, let's put this to the test. Virág is going to ask you how you're feeling.
Hogy vagy?
Hopefully your answer was,
Nagyon jól vagyok. Time's up. That's all for this lesson.
we really do hope that you've been enjoying these lessons and that you feel you're making progress, even if you are just spending 1 minute or so each time on your Hungarian. In fact, it just goes to show what you can achieve in a minute. Don't forget, you can visit our website at oneminute.languages.com. We'll be back next time with the last lesson in this series. So, in the meantime,
Köszönöm, és viszontlátásra!
You have been listening to a production of the Copy Break Academy for the Radiolingua Network. Copyright 2017 Radiolingua Limited. Recording copyright 2017 Radiolingua Limited. All rights reserved.